Unboxing! Some highlights. It's really well protected. Wow, it feels like a hand. Compact. Okay, we'll take a look at a little bit later. A audio cable, a Type-C charging cable, a quick guide, some paperwork, a very detailed multi-language manual. Oh, I like it. And that's everything included in the box. Now for anyone seeing this speaker for the first time, I think you'd be amazed by how well it's made. It features a curved aluminum handle that feels great in the hand and seamlessly integrates into the body. The top panel is also made of aluminum, and we see there are a few function keys here. We'll get into that in a moment. The most striking part is the top fairing speaker, designed to enhance soundstage and deliver a much wider, more immersive audio experience. Once powered on, the built-in RGB ring light beneath it glows, instantly adding a futuristic, techy vibe. Of course, you can press the power key to switch between different lighting modes, like this breathing mode, steady on, constant on, or turn off completely, but I prefer the RGB light, Around the back, this cover, we just open it, we see there is a Type-C charging port and aux port. At the bottom, a non-slip rubber ring ensures the speaker stays firmly in place on your table. And that's basically the design. Under the hood, it packs dual tweeters, dual mid-range drivers, one wrist track shaped subwoofer, and of course the upward firing driver. That's 6 speakers in total. Ooh, delivering an impressive 80 watts peak power from such a compact speaker. So how does it sound? Let's give it a listen.
I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started. Get me out of now. To where we started.
It sounds insane good, right? Probably the best home speaker I've ever listened in this price range. The bass is punchy, vocals are clear, and the overall balance is on point. I'm not going to bore you with audiofile terms like 40 kHz sampling rate or LDAC codec. Just know that the sound speaks for itself, right? And we haven't even touched on one of its biggest features, the Spatial audio. There is a dedicated button here, just one tap here to turn it on. And now let's try it.
We will fly above the sky. We are heroes. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
Notice the difference? The bass immediately gets deeper and more powerful, and the entire sound feels more immersive and expansive. I tested by placing my mic at different spots in my studio, and no matter where you are, the sound still feels full and room-filling. You can even pair 2 of these speakers together for an even more immersive stereo experience. And if you're the type who always like to fine-tune your sound, you're gonna love its app. It's fun to experiment with. Other features: IPX5 waterproof, powerful poolside or kitchen use, up to 14 hours of playback on a single charge, Bluetooth 5.3, faster and more stable connection. Now, my conclusion: at just $200, and even comes with a free gift if you buy now, this might just be one of the best value home speakers out there. Killer design, powerful sound, spatial audio, and loads of features. What more could you ask for? And if you're interested in this Tronsmart Fiitune X30, please check the link in the description and get one now. Thanks for watching. I'm Sammy. Will see you in the next one, because I'm gonna enjoy more music with it.